Okay, good morning everyone. So, mag-check attendance at ta before ta mag-proceed sa itong klase. Ako Ram,
Present.
Alejandro,
Present.
good. Bagyo,
Present.
Barlas,
Present.
Cortez,
Present.
Dagbay.
Present.
Okay, so walay absent. Very good. Abto Villasor. And last, Balaba. Present?
Present.
Okay. Grabe, walay absent. May butana. Gagana akong advisory. Eh. Iskuila gid ba? Oh! Ikaw naman lagi isa. Loh! Kumplito lagi mo sa attendance.
Present.